everyone, welcome to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I will be transforming 4 wall arts that I have, 3 of Marilyn Monroe's and 1, I can't remember her name at this time. Once I find it, I'll flash the name across the screen. I'm pretty sure some of you will already know it. But the 2 large Marilyn Monroe arts, which is coming up now, are going to be transformed into abstract wall arts that I will be hanging in my office, and the other 2 are smaller. I'm going to be covering those with some inspirational word arts that I purchased offline or from Amazon and had them delivered to my home. So if you're interested in seeing how all of this come together, then just keep watching. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Now let's get started. So I use regular household paint. And this is a big bucket I had for several years. It's actually the same color it's the Builder Grades color wall paint, which is that right there. And this is extra white. And I painted the first picture using this neat little brush. It has a little stick that goes to it also. All you do is you open up this top and you fill the paint in there and start rolling, and the paint comes on that, and it's really quick and easy. I didn't want to use a brush because I just wanted to get this covered. I'm going to try to I wanted it all white, but I didn't have enough white paint, so I'm going to use the white and the black and kind of mix some brown and try to do some kind of fading, shadowy look, abstract art. So I've already done the first one. That was the one she had the red, or the red background in it. And I'm going to let this dry and use some of this black and then some of this brown and the white. And I may mix some of the brown with the house paint. And I'm just going to kind of create some kind of abstract art to go in my office. So I'm going to get back to it. So I went on Pinterest and I found a picture here that I liked. So this is what I'm going to try and do. May not come to the exact, but I'm going to get as close as possible. So let's see what we can do to get that look. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, and to show you as far as what I'm using, I just got different brushes here. I'm not going to use all the brushes. Got little brushes here for some little strokes, and then I have this little sponge, and then I got a paper towel. So I'm going to take my Apple Barrel Black, and let me get this back up, and I'm going to see what I can do to try to copy that as close as possible. So what you see me here doing is I'm just stippling the paint onto this board, and this board is actually made of cardboard. So what it's doing is it's causing the cardboard, which is what the Marilyn Monroe art was painted on, it's causing it to be really soaking wet and causing the cardboard to create texture. I'll put it like that, because it's wet. So it's peeling up. That's what I'm trying to say. The cardboard is peeling up, and I'm liking that look. So what you're going to see me, I'm going to actually explain, not see, but actually explain when I get the picture hanging up in the office. The second one that I painted, yes, the second one, because this is the first one. The second one I painted, the little part that looks like a foot there, I did it too big on the second one, so I'm going to close it, but I'm going to use a paper towel, which is going to give me that textured look. I loved the way this turned out. Looks so good in the frame, and I just finished the second one and it's drying. So let me just, you can see all my stuff on my island. Here's the second one. And no two ever come out alike, but they're very similar, and I just like the way it turned out. This still has texture, just like the first one, and it turned out so nice. So this one is drying, and then again, here's the one that I did first, and I just put it in the frame. So they're going to go in my office on my wall that's going to be behind me when I'm sitting at the desk. So that's the next time you'll see it, is when it's hung on the wall. I toned this down a little bit to try to get it closer to this by putting a little more white paint on it, dabbling it with tissue paper or napkin, and you can see some of it left, which I like that it's textured like this. This is actually the cardboard, the original cardboard that this is on, and it started coming up. That's why I like it and left it. So I tried to duplicate that same look. When I went over it with some paint, tried to tone down on the, I guess it was a beige or more gray, and then here I took that foot looking what it looks like for me for a foot, because I was trying to duplicate that little one, and when I did it, I made it too big, so I just closed up the little dent. But I think it looks more closer together now with the color tone. Still not exact, but it's not that much of a big difference, but I like it. Now these last two are very quick. All it is just gluing the word art that I ordered onto the canvas. Again, I ordered these from Amazon, and these are actually canvas too. It's canvas fabric, word that's put on canvas fabric. You can see where there's creases already folded under, and they came in these two little tubes. And I'm going to be pointing where I originally had planned to put them down in the openings of the frame behind the canvas, but I didn't want to pull the canvas up, and I didn't want to take the print apart here where I'm pointing my finger. I was going to do that, but it was just simpler to fold the canvas, use my glue gun, and just put paint across the bottom and paint across the top, not paint, glue gun across the top and the bottom. And that was very quick and simple, and here it is, all completed. Very easy, and I just like the simplistic, but looks expensive and high end. And these, I'll leave these word arts in my description box, ordered off of Amazon. They were very inexpensive, and I got both of them for one price. And here it is hung in on my wall in my office, which is opposite of where the big art is hanging, which you have already seen that. I am going to be uploading a video of where I'm refreshing my office. Here it's already done, but I'll be showing my entire office. I did a video, I think last year, of me turning this bedroom into my home office, and I redid some things in here. My kitchenette, I'm redoing that, which I have in the closet, and I took those, they're actually IKEA bookcases, and turned them into a wall unit. So I'll be showing that, how I put that together. And also I just completed a DIY on a chair where I covered it with canvas drop cloth. I'll be uploading that video probably next week. And then after showing you how I put the Billy bookcases, they're not Billy bookcases, but they are the bookcases. And this is a picture of how I did the art at first. You can see that big foot there before I changed it. But back to the videos that I will be uploading. I'll be uploading how I took the cases that I had in my kitchenette and turned it into one big wall unit, and then also the chair that I covered. So if you liked this video, and you like what you saw, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. And I would love to read your comments. And again, I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.